How to hide online on Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I will guide you on how you can view and hide your online status on Messenger, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to hide if you're online on Messenger, all you have to do is just go ahead and launch the Messenger application first. Then you have to tap on the three lines icon, which is at the top left hand side of the screen. Then once you tap on the three lines icon, you'll be able to see this type of interface where you have to tap on the gear icon right over here. So once you tap on the gear icon here, you just need to scroll and then look for the option called active status, right? And then just tap on it, and then you will be able to simply turn this thing off. So just go ahead and then turn it off. So you can choose until when you want to turn it off, for 1 hour, 8 hours, until this PM, or I'll just select until I change it. This will allow me to not turn on my active status unless I don't go and manually turn it on. And this is how you can hide your online on Messenger. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.